Number one is see it. See any subtle changes or shifts in the behaviour or activities of friends, family members, work colleagues, all the people in your close circle. Just have their backs. Bear in mind this one is a little bit tricky because most symptoms of poor mental health are hidden. They're not always obvious. So this is about using your instincts and caring and watching out for those around you. The second S is to speak. If you suspect that someone might be struggling, then talk to them. But don't make them feel uncomfortable. Certainly don't force them to open up to you. It's just giving them a nice, informal, gentle nudge or reminder that you've got their back and that they can come to you about anything they want. It could just be a simple cue, a normal conversation. Hey Bob, how are you? I know life's been particularly busy lately, or work's been busy. How are you coping? My work's been busy too. Maybe we can offload to each other. Bob, just to reassure you, I'm always here for you. Don't forget, if you ever want to talk, you just got to ask. Just little cues like that. This second S, speaking to them, can also be quite tricky again, because statistically, most of the time when we are not okay, if someone asks us how we are, we have this preconditioned auto response. Yeah, I'm great. Yeah, I'm fantastic. How are you? But really we're not. So let's make it okay to not be okay and to be more open about how we really are feeling. Let's help each other more. And the final S is to support. So you've gone to them, they've opened up. First part of supporting might just be listening, as simple as that. And most of us can listen. They probably don't expect you to know all the answers. They will understand that psychology and relational trauma and work-based stress are not your expertise. But they will really appreciate you just listening and maybe signposting them to some helpful aids. For example, the Mind website. Fantastic charity with loads of resources, tools and many other things to help people that are going through mental health issues. Some low risk health issues and some much more severe higher risk ones. There's also in the UK the Samaritans one as well. The Samaritans has a fantastic team of volunteers who are trained to listen and to guide people that are going through mental health issues.